All right, so today is another episode number 2 of Tasty Tuesdays on A20, a new series we're doing where we're going to make dinner for 4 to 6 people on $20 or less. It starts today with some pepperoni. This right here was only $2.92, so we did get the Great Value brand. Can't be too picky. Also the Great Value Mozzarella for $1.97. We got some garlic spread for $2.72. French bread right here for $1.47, and some pizza sauce, once again the Great Value, for only, what was that, was $1.52. Grand total of $10.60 for all of this. You could easily add some black olives, maybe a second loaf if you had needed to, and still manage with all of these for just a little bit more, under 20 bucks. No question. So French bread pizza. You can also, and I couldn't find this, if you find the ones that's already, cut garlic, they already have done for you, you could get that. Be a little more though. And we're just going to take.
You can actually find some for cheaper.
Yeah, if they'd have had that, I might have got that, but they didn't have any of the already ready. And we're just going to go ahead and cut this, since this one's not pre-cut either. See how well I do. Or see how well I destroy it. There we go. Does that look about right? That thickness?
Keep going.
Keep on going. Hold it tight. Oh boy.
Oh, you're going too low.
Ah, too low.
No, don't lift.
Keep going. Keep going. Dolores will let you know how I did.
You did fine.
See if this don't just, look at there. Awesome. We'll put one right there, put one right there. So we're going to make, that'll make 2. And we got the sauce here.
No, that's not what you
Oh,
want first.
not yet, not yet. Garlic.
Yeah. Get you a butter knife.
And we're just going to go ahead and just spread this all along here.
Too thick.
Just thin layer. Try to get it. Do like some garlic.
It smells good.
Okay, so then we'll go to the second one. Now sometimes I've noticed when we buy this pre-done, they'll only garlic one side though.
They're supposed to do both sides,
Yeah.
but someone was lazy.
Yeah, you'll get it, and they only had garlic on one side.
When I worked at Albertsons, you had to do both sides. There's my keto.
Yeah, so she made a keto one, and it's a pan pizza. It's going to be
no bread.
Low carb version, not zero carb, but definitely no bread and low carb. So there's that, and there's that. Look good enough. And then there's still some left. Like I said, if you wanted another loaf, you've got enough.
I'll put a thin layer of the sauce on there.
Now we're going to do the pizza sauce, and we'll just drizzle this right
You spread it.
right along here.
So do that one too before you spread.
Yeah, the pizza dough is some of the expensive stuff, and this right here, $1.47. We're gonna make 2. Just go ahead and put that on.
There you go. It smells good.
Oh yeah, you can smell that pizza sauce coming up now.
The garlic.
Yeah. And then we've got the mozzarella.
Oops. There we go.
Then
Pepperonis.
we got some pepperonis going on.
Those are good. I have one.
Yeah, she made hers already. She's going to put hers. We got the pit boss heating up. And we're going to cook them right out there. It's at about 350 degrees.
After you do that, you should sprinkle like a little cheese on top of it.
Yeah, we can do that. Now, most definitely optional here. And this wouldn't raise your price much, but I just happen to have one of these sitting around.
Don't forget to put a little bit more cheese on top of those.
We'll just set a little few of those on there.
Spread them out.
A little cheese on top.
That smells so good.
A little more cheese on top. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take this out back. I'll get it on the Pit Boss. We're going to get this all cooked up and see how it goes.
There's number one.
So we'll put this one right here. Let's go ahead and put her keto one. Just leave it right like that.
Let's shake it.
I'll put this in the back.
That's fine.
There we go.
All right.
And we're going to go ahead and shut it up. But look at that. Wow. Shut it. We'll just cook this till it toasts. 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that.
Got it.
That's 6, 7 minutes. Look at that. Wow, man, that one with the jalapenos in the back. Let it melt just a little more, toast a little more, but yeah, looking crazy good. Check it out, we got them done right here. The French toast garlic bread pizzas. And let's go ahead and cut. I'm gonna do the one with the jalapeno. Just
All
kind
right, turn it around, babe.
of, I got it.
You good?
Yep. Just like that.
Wow.
So definitely enough for 4 to 6 people, and you could always, like I said, add you some more if you wanted. Add you some toppings, make it your own a little bit. Looks good, just basically toasted. About 8, 9 minutes. See how this thing goes.
Oh, it has like crunch.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Nice crunch.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, got that garlic taste in there. Really good for the price of this. 20 bucks easily will cover really like almost double what we made. All right, as each one of these come out Tuesday, that's hard to say. Tasty Tuesday. How does it go?
Why are you asking me?
I done forgot. Tasty Tuesdays on a 20. I will be creating a playlist, so each time one of these drops, it'll go on that playlist. We've only got 2 now. We'll have 3, 4, 5. You get the idea, and you'll be able to see them all. It's about getting your full family something for under 20 bucks. Great deal. We'll see you in the next one.